All right, welcome back everyone. Thursday afternoon. Party's already starting to heat up. Beach is already getting packed. Summer had to have started. Got up to 70 degrees today. Water's getting warmer. It's getting pretty nice. I'm gonna try to go in tomorrow. I say that every day. I am gonna tomorrow though. Primo's out there trying to catch a wave. Right now, it's kayak. This guy's fishing with his dog. This dog don't like blue, so he's getting pretty violent. He'll come running right now. He's like, haha, he's back. Yes, there he goes. You already met him though, so he ain't too violent right now. Yeah, but the water's looking really nice. Nice blue-green out there a little bit ago. Blue's trying to pick every horse foot and eat every horse foot that went stepped in here, or any rock or anything. He's determined to get me in trouble by eating something in his mouth. There's a lot of people out. Not too many people in the water yet, just like about 5. I think it'll be a lot more people tomorrow. I think it's going to be a good weekend. I think we're going to start seeing, well, for the next 7 days, I think we're going to get up, well, they say we're going to get up to 80 degrees. We'll see about that. I'm interested to see. A lot of people down here to party for the month. Father's Day going on. LGBTQ. We have specials for LGBTQ and fathers for this month. You get an extra piece for 200 pesos at Gigi's Boutique. And also, you know, it's the best place to shop in Rosarito when you see the LGBTQ flag in the window later today. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. There's a lot of people subscribing every day. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I've been working, so I haven't had a chance to even put music sometimes for a little period of time, but I try to catch up. If you guys like silent videos, maybe it would be like a good thing. You could watch a little silent video. I'm gonna try to do a live video later if I have a chance on how I built my channel. I had a lot more watch time hours. I had my 4,000 watch time hours, and way before I had my subscribers. I had my watch time hours. I wasn't able to get 1,000 subscribers for quite a long time. It took a while. Just till recently I was able to get, a couple months ago, I got my 1,000 subscribers. In fact, just the other day, I had 777 subscribers, and then I grew to 5,100. Seems like overnight, but it was 2 months. But we'll take a look at the numbers tonight, and we can see exactly what happened. Meanwhile, back at the beach. There's always these dark clouds lingering in the background. Now the sun just went under. Always these dark clouds, like rain clouds, lingering back there, like we're gonna get some rain in a little while. And here, everything's clear over this way. I don't know though, it's been pretty crazy, but we've had sun the last 6-7 days, so it's been pretty nice. A little bit of wind today, not like that every day, but it can make it a little bit cool when you try to get out into the water and then come and lay out in the sun. Make sure you bring a towel. It's gonna be cold out. Tide's still coming in pretty far. Still leaves a lot of the beach to go in on. Hoping that we're gonna go check out this place in Tijuana. I'm gonna try to find some clothes for a lower price. It'll be a nice sunset tonight. Although I'm not gonna make any video of the sunset tonight because I made the video the last couple nights of the sunset, so. Making a sunset video tonight, just uploading this video. Thanks again, you guys, for all the new subscribers. Thanks for those people who continually watch the channel and are new to the channel. If you can hit that notification bell so you get a notification on all our videos. It helps us to build the channel and to grow bigger so that we can continue to grow bigger. So if you can, you don't have to watch the videos. I watch my own videos. I like to check them and see how they are, see what kind of quality they are, see if they're good, see if we can hear the noise on there, see if we can hear anything at all. See what you see compared to what I see. So I watch the videos on television to see what it's all about. So kind of check them over. It's not been that hard for me to make videos because I concentrate on a couple things, just like the Rosarito area, the beaches in Rosarito and Playas, and if they're open or not, and the condition of them, and anything happening here. And a little bit downtown, and then we try to help whatever businesses we can by going there. And I will get out a little bit more to little places and share with you guys different places that there are different little restaurants there are to eat. You see, some of the places that I show you are some of the places that I've been going to for many years, and I like them, and I don't get sick there, and they're good places to go, and I like to share them with you guys because I don't want you to get sick on your vacation down here and then end up sick some of the time. It's better to just enjoy the time without being sick. So with that in mind, make sure you check out the Pelicanos right here on the water. That's one of the nice places to eat at. Also Beachcomber, Aqua Marina Cafe, in Playas, Tijuana. A lot of beautiful places on the water to eat and get breakfast, lunch or dinner, or coffee. A lot of people down here partying for the, I guess, summer break. Summer's out. Everybody's out of school. So, hopefully start getting a little bit warmer. Well, I could see it get a little bit warmer. Gonna try to get out there tomorrow or Saturday, Sunday maybe. Have to be, never know. Try to catch some waves, paddle around out there. Somebody out there paddling around. You can see him right there around that. Pretty much kayaks up. But I think that's him out there paddling. There's a little paddle. Everybody's out there. Alright guys, hopefully you get a chance to come down to the beach this weekend. Thank you guys again for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos, and we'll see you back here later.